Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you the usability, the space in the Mustang Mach E, and I'm actually going to do a dump run. So I'm going to show you what's it like inside, the cavernous space that it has, and I've got quite a bit of crap in my garden at the moment, so for want of a better word. So what I'm going to do is open the Mach E up, and we will see where we go with this. So this is obviously the Mach E, and what I tend to do, wave my foot underneath and it opens up. As you can see, it's lovely in here. See the nice glass roof. Right then, so put these seats down. There's a little catch here. That's this side. Again, drop that down. And as you can see, I mean, this is something I've added myself, but it's basically a completely flat low floor. But this is just to give my floor a bit of protection. And as we see, so I'm now going to add the rubbish in. So this is what I've put in for today. Well, quite a bit. You could easily get a lot more in there, but kind of like I made a bit of a mess because I got water in me. I should have took this mat out as well. So that's what I do. So let's get on with it then. So I've now got all the dump stuff in the car, and the next step is to go to the dump. So what I'm going to use as an example here is, as you can see, my range is 150. The mileage on the car is 23733. Now let's see what kilowatts I do per mile. And let's see if the range matches what the actual it uses in electric as an extra little the part of this video. So 6 degrees, nice and sunny day. I may treat the car to a wash. I like to pull in and get somebody to wash it for me. It costs about £10. Because for the life of me, whenever I wash it, I just feel like I'm moving dirt around. It never seems to be as clean as what it should be. We'll keep this video quite small. I've owned this car since, as per my other videos, I've owned this car since October. done about 5,000 miles in that time. So that's 5 months, 5,000 miles. And I've only ever had to have tyres. I don't fast charge very often because I charge for free at work. So the cost of it is £300 for my tyres. 2 tyres. I did go out at 4:30 this morning. I was going to a car boot, but it was off and I almost had an accident. Coming to the end of a junction where there's some traffic lights, they were on green, I turned left and the car just lost it, and I wasn't going very fast, but I think there was some ice, it was quite cold, and I was lucky I was only going slow because it literally just no warning. No warning, so luckily no warning, but going slow meant the car stopped and no damage, because there wasn't anything to impact, because there's not many cars around that time of morning anyway, but there was 1 or 2 on the road that I could see. So that's a lesson. Even in icy conditions, go even slower when you come into turns. Because ice means no grip whatsoever. Used 2 miles of energy so far. I'm at 23,736 miles. And I'm doing 4.8 miles per kilowatt. And there's a bit of a flood over here, as you can see. Electric cars do handle floods a lot better than ice vehicles, but I wouldn't drive as fast as that car in front, because you can see just making a mess of your car. Miles per kilowatt just dropped down slightly, now 4.4 miles per kilowatt. I've used 3 miles, 23736. So that was the MacArthur Glen that I've just been to, and so far my miles are the below. I'm very low on charge at the moment, to be honest. It's charge of the camera, not charge of the car. So 141 miles, so I've done 9 miles, and the miles the actual are 23,742 on there. And I'm about to go and get the car washed, and due to the battery on the camera, and I haven't brought my spare with me, I will sign off here. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.